Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the Deloitte registration process, and I'll also share the important preparation resources that will help you clear the assessment rounds. And this is the official website of Deloitte. I'll share the link in the description box. And here is the site. They have opened the roles for engineering and undergraduate science and undergraduate commerce and allied courses. The people who are from engineering has to click on the first one, and after clicking apply now, you have to need to follow some of the rules. These are the steps to be taken compulsory. In the registration form, photo field, you have to use the camera rather than uploading the photo. After clicking on next, the registration form will be open, which we have to declare, which we will have to agree some of the concerns on the declaration form, and we need to fill in the details of first name, last name, as you all know. The fields which are mandatorily there, you need to fill upon that. In here you need to add the 10th class and intermediate also by clicking on add more. If you have applied any role for Deloitte in the last 6 months, you are not eligible for this one, and you need to keep the certification links. If your certificate is not in these options, then add it in the additional certifications, and it is compulsory to give the faculty full name and the faculty email name of the TPOs of your college. And here, rather than using the choose file, use camera for taking the photo, and after clicking on submit, you will receive the email that you have successfully completed the registration. And this is the Deloitte NLA off-campus hiring for the analyst trainee role. In this, there will be 1 year of internship. After that, the completion of exam, there will be the hiring process of whether you are eligible for the full-time employment or not. Here are the general expectations, as I have mentioned earlier, period, which is from the joining date. And in the registration form, they will be asking the internship start date and the end date which you are be eligible. Then keep the internship details, as after filling the form you will get an option like you need to select the internship start date, possible start date and the end date. Keep it as in 1 year, as January 20th 2026 to January 20th 2027, as it is the 1 year apprenticeship. So it will be helpful to shortlist your resume compulsory. And there are some resume formats which we need to prepare, as the Deloitte employees have kept in the site. So they have mentioned that at the start of the top of the resume there should be your name, contact information, and including a valid email address and a contact number at the top left corner. This is the sample resume. By keeping the photo of the candidate on the right side corner, and the name, email ID and the contact number should be on the left corner. And the second one is the career objective. It should be like 2 to 3 lines only, not more than 3. And the third section is all about highlighting your skills, like in which language you are more proficient. And fourth section is all about your BTech education, intermediate and SSC education with the CGPA. And the fifth section is all about your certifications or any projects or internships, you can keep all that. And sixth section is all about other languages like Telugu, Hindi, English, and it is optional. This section is optional. If you are interested, you can keep on that. And the online assessment contains total 4 sections, and it is 90 minutes duration test. This is the document link I will be sharing in the description box. It contains the total 4 sections. in which the first section is all about the English. The total questions in the section 1 is 13 and 10 is of MCQs and 3 is of fill in the blanks. These are the topics covered in the section 1, like error spotting, fill in the blanks, sentence formation, reading comprehension, and synonyms or antonyms. Here is the I have kept the links of India Bikes and some other websites. You can refer this. And the section 2 is all about the general aptitude. In this total questions are of 22 and the reasoning ability questions are of 12 and quantitative ability of 10 MCQs, and the topics are logical reasoning, data interpretation, and numerical ability. And the third section is all about the technical skills, in which the MCQs will be asked of 30 questions. In this the topics covered are computer science basics, cloud computing and networking and cyber security, programming fundamentals, database concepts, and software engineering or testing concepts. I have shared the links of the particular resources of technical skills section. And the last section is the coding round section. In this you will be having 2 questions, and the first one is coding nugget. In this we have to fill in the blank, like some logic will be missing and you need to fill that one. And the other one is one programming question, in which you have to write the code from the scratch. And these are the some of the links of the Striver sheet and Neat Code Blind 75, which will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching and apply as soon as possible. Thank you.